Welcome, all of you. I am a student in Amripedia President College. Now I am going to speak about the code software. It is a software used to develop games. Now I talk about the computer. Computer is the main and important device in ICT. There is no ICT without a computer. Majority of Sri Lankan people use the computer, and all of the foreign students and people use the computer. Now we can conclude that the foreign students use the technology than us. So we need to break this theory. Game. Here is another part in technology. Game act another character in technology. Games we can divide it into two categories. They are educational games and entertainmental games. I don't going to further explain this. Did you think like this? I can make a game. How this game is made of foam? I think you never try this. But a person in Amripedia President College asked that question. She is Mrs. Shiroma Veeratunga, and she explained to us how the game is made. I am going to talk about the code software. The code software develop our logical thinking and educational knowledge. Code software develop our mathematical knowledge like this. Think when you solve this sum 5 addition 5, it's very lazy. But when you solve that sum by using a game, it will be very fun. Now think how the game develop, the software develop the logical thinking. When you write a single essay, you trap to a small area. But when we make a game from this code software, we can think anything and develop a game. You can download this software from internet and develop a game and play it. Let's play a game from code software. Thank you.